What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my weekend self-care routine. Now that I'm a mom, I find that there is absolutely no time for myself, and Saturday mornings are just my time to do whatever it is that I want to do. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. And I also wanted to mention that I am going to be sharing with you 5 tips on how you can incorporate self-care into your life, especially if you are busy working mom or just busy in general. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and let's head right into the video.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leaves. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubt.
Now on to 5 tips to make it easier for you to incorporate self-care into your busy schedule. I'm actually going to do things a bit different and start with number 5 and work my way up to my number 1 tip. But for tip number 5, it is to get out of the house. When I was pregnant, my mom had told me the only way really for a mom to get any type of self-care or alone time or quiet time, because Lord knows we all can use some, is to get out of the house. Because when you tend to stay inside, somebody's going to need you regardless of where you hide. So anytime I need self-care, I make sure it is outside of the house. Number 4 is going to be plan and schedule your self-care. I know this might sound a little bit crazy, but when you plan, you are making it a point to say, I'm going to be taking out this amount of time to take care of me. Number 3 is going to be make a list of all the things that you enjoy doing and make it a point to incorporate one of those things every single day. It gives you something to look forward to, which also leads me into tip number 2, which is going to be self-care does not need to be expensive. It could literally cost you nothing. To me, self-care is going to the bathroom by myself or taking a shower uninterrupted. So I definitely know a lot of you moms can fully understand literally just 5 minutes to yourself is everything. As you saw earlier in the video, I just went to Hobby Lobby by myself. And to me, that's self-care. Just getting a point to unwind and enjoy my own thoughts without having to worry about anyone else. It could literally be anything, but make sure you do something for yourself every single day. My number 1 tip is going to be do not feel guilty for taking time out to recharge. I know this is definitely something that I've always personally struggled with. I felt like I always had to be on, or I always had to be around Riley or doing something for my family, whether it's cooking, cleaning, taking care of her. Like literally the list goes on. And anytime I would take time out for myself, run to the store or do anything, and I would look down and like, oh my God, I've been gone for an hour. I feel guilty. I need to go home. But I was not fully recharged and I still needed a little bit more time for myself. So don't feel guilty about that. Make sure to take care of yourself, because a happy mom is always going to be the best mom, the one who has the extra patience and the love and the care and can really nurture your child. So definitely make sure to take time out for yourself. Let me know in the comment section down below what works for you. I would love to hear them because us moms, we need a little bit more help, and it could also help somebody else who might be struggling with trying to find time for themselves. I make new videos every Sunday at 9 p.m. so make sure you are subscribed so you never miss out on a future video, and I'll catch you guys next Sunday. Bye.